most used AI applications out there today. I'll be showing you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of your, once you have logged in with your Google account and so forth. So here, down here, pretty much can ask the AI anything as you do with any one of these AI applications. And the plus icon down here can also add your photos from a gallery, files, if you have anything you want to add from there, or from your drive as well. So same things for files. So over here now you have the settings looking icon. If I tap on that option here, it gives you an option which you can create images with Nano Banana, and also you have canvas option there as well. Down here where it says 2.5 Pro, this is pretty much where you go to see all the models that you'll be able to use. Obviously I'm on a free option, so I won't be seeing the other models which require you to get a subscription. Over here you can also send in voice note to the AI if you can't type, or if you don't like typing, you can do that. And also you can speak with the AI in real time. So all I have to do is just tap on this over here at the end. Once I tap on that, I'll be able to speak with the AI in real time as I'm now speaking with the AI. So that's pretty much it for that there, which is very crazy at the stage that AI is reaching. And as you can see here, this is pretty much over here is pretty much we're gonna see all the conversation that you have with the AI application. So let's say you want to start a new chat, pretty much just tap on the new chat option here and you're good to go. So if you're gonna create videos with this AI application, all you have to do is just tap on create image, or you go on settings icon here and tap on the create image section here and just allow some features. And once you have done that, you'll be in the option to create crazy clean AI images, and they're gonna look very good, I'm not gonna lie. So that's pretty much it there. And for this subscription for this application, do keep in mind it's very expensive, just like the others, but it's very much worth it. So you just tap on the profile icon on the top here, and we'll pretty much we'll pretty much show you their subscription. So if I tap on upgrade to Google AI Plus, this is where you pretty much go to get your subscription. So as I can see here, this is pretty much the prices for the subscription. And as I can see down here, you have the basically see $100 a month for that subscription. Pretty much shows you everything that you could get in and so forth. So let's go back real quick. So as you can see, this is the normal subscription. You have the AI Pro subscription. You can get a 1 month free trial with the Google AI Pro version. So as I can see here, also the Ultra is a different price, which is pretty much $120 per month. Let's say $130 per month. So as you can see here, what we're getting basically everything as it relates to video generation, image generation, basically everything, guys. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And if I missed anything at all, please comment below. Okay, I'd love to assist you, and see you in the next one.